How to make crack design inside your fill-ins. So if you want to over-exaggerate the crack effect, you can try to split up the letter and make the pieces flying. I'll divide the letters into 2 or 3 shapes, and then I'll try to divide them from the letter. So for instance, taking this shape here and then moving it over here. This will mean that this piece will be missing, but then I have to correct for that. Do the same thing here. Maybe up here. This is not the same color as the background, but it's just so you get the picture. I've split the piece up into different sections. Now I need to fill out the pieces that are flying. Add an outline to it. And when it is this kind of crack effect, I like to make my outlines a bit sloppy, because then it really looks like rocks that have been broken off. So as you can see, maybe it's a bit over-exaggerated, but the pieces have been broken off of this eye, so now it really looks like it's been shattered. You can add some depth to it by adding some darker nuances to one of the sides and some lighter nuances to the other side. So that's how you do a crack effect on your letters.